Hello everyone, this is your educator Priyanka Thakur teaching you licenses and welcome you all on our YouTube channel Gurmantra Shikshaka Granth. So I'm going to give you some questions on digestive system. Okay, I haven't covered the digestive system because I think most of the students find it quite easy to cover digestive system themselves. So if you are connected to us on our Telegram, then I have already notified you that today we are going to do some MCQs on digestive system, and I hope you are already prepared. In the second session, you will again get some MCQs on digestive system as well. Today we will do this up to small intestine. Okay, so let's start. You will be having the 30 MCQs. So if you're having the 30 MCQs and each MCQ is of 2 marks, then you will be provided with 60 MCQs. Negative marking is 50% and you are given with the 45 seconds timer. Tell me your score in the comment box if you are doing great. Even if you haven't covered this topic, then do cover it. Then watch this practice session. It will be available even after its premium, if premium is there. Okay, and if you have already covered the topic, then watch this session and watch it twice to make sure of all the answers. Okay, those answers should be remembered by you, they should be kept by you in your head. Okay, you don't have to forget the answers of those questions. Okay, fine, good luck. Here's your first question on your screens. Stomach kahas, okay, where is the stomach situated? It is situated in the epigastric region of the abdominal cavity. So A is your right answer. Next question on your screens. Which layer of stomach wall contain the gastric gland? It's mucosa. C is your right answer. You know, serosa, mucosa, submucosa and all. C is your right answer. Next question on your screens. What is the function of stomach? temporary storage, chemical digestion of proteins, defense against microbes. All these are the functions of stomach. So D is your right option. And next question is on your screens now. Which of the following is not a constituent of gastric juice? Mineral, salt, mucus, all are the constituent of gastric juice. So there is none of the above which is not the constituent of gastric juice. So D is your right option. So D is the right answer. And here's next question on your screens. Which of the following statement is not true? Stomach is divided into main three reasons, right? The proximal end of pylorus has pyloric sphincter is not a true option because the distal end of the pylorus has a pyloric sphincter. Gastric juice secrete intrinsic factor, right? HCl is secreted by parietal cell is also the right option. So only incorrect option is B. So your correct option is B. Next question is on your screens. Which phase of digestion starts before the food enters the stomach? There are three main phases. First one is the cephalic phase, okay, gastric phase, and intestinal phase. So right answer is A here. It's cephalic phase. Next question on your screens. What initiate the cephalic phase of digestion? It's parasympathetic stimulation and sense of taste and smell. Both B and C are the right options. So your correct answer is D. D is your right option. Next question on your screens. Which nutrients remains in the stomach for the longest time? It's fat. So D is your right option. And next question on your screens. Small intestines join the stomach at pyloric sphincter. D is your right answer. Next question is on your screens now. What is the reason for the brown color of feces? It's tachybilin. Tachybilin is the right option. What you have to do, you have to read each and every option carefully and have to remember each and every answers very carefully. C is your right option. Next question is on your screens now. Which of the following statement is not true? I hope you have read all the options very carefully, all the statements you have read thoroughly. So B is not the right answer. like pancreas. I mean, B is not the correct statement. It is the right answer then, but it is not the correct statement. Pancreatic juice is acidic nature. No, it's not acidic. It's a bit alkaline. So B statement is not right. Your answer is B. Next question on your screen. Which of the following is not the content of bile? Mineral salts, bile, pigment, water, all are the content of bile, but amylase is not found in the bile. So C is not the content of bile and C is your right answer. Next question is on your screens now. At what point the pancreatic juice and bile merges before entering the duodenum? It's hepatopancreatic ampulla. D is the right option. D is your right answer. Next question is on your screens now. I'm sorry. Outer connective tissue covering of the digestive tract is serosa. Serosa is the layer made up of connective tissue. A is your right option. Next question is on your screens. Mesenteric plexus or Urbach plexus lies in between the outer longitudinal and inner circular muscles. A is your right option. C. there is a place, I mean, there's a layer in your stomach wall layer. What that layer is called, you must be aware of muscularis propria or muscularis externa, which is dominated by smooth muscle cells in two layers, an inner circular layer and outer longitudinal layer. Okay, these play an essential mechanical processing, essential role in the mechanical processing and in the movement of material along the gastrointestinal tract. And between inner circular layer and an outer longitudinal layer, another nerve network, it's a nerve network is present, which is called like myenteric or Auerbach plexus. Okay, so A is your right option. Next question is on your screens. Enamel consists of both calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. So both A and B are the right options. I mean, C is your correct option here. So C is your answer. And next question is on your screens now. The tongue is mainly composed of skeletal muscles. P is your right answer. And next question is on your screens now. I mean, you got it now? Okay. Lingual glands secrete enzymes and mucus both. Lingual lipase is the enzyme secreted by lingual glands. This enzyme act upon what? It is going to act upon triglycerides. Okay, lingual lipase will act upon lipids, triglycerides, fats. Okay, so right option is C. Next question is on your screens. Okay, I think this question was already completed. C is your right answer. Next question is on your screens. What is the function of nasopharynx? See, the pharynx part is divided into nasopharynx, laryngopharynx, and oropharynx. So, oropharynx and laryngopharynx they perform functions like respiration and digestion, but nasopharynx perform only one function A, that is respiration. A is the right option. It's given C. C is not the right option. A is the right option. Remember this thing. Next question is on your screens. Which of the following statement is true about esophagus? Yes, it is surrounded by skeletal muscle on its upper part and by smooth muscle on its lower part, and it conducts the food bolus from mouth to stomach. So all of the above statements are right. These are your correct option. Next question is on your screen. Chyme is a semi-liquid substance which is mixed and churned with the gastric juice. It is churned with the help of muscles of stomach. There are folds of muscles of stomach which then churn the chyme. I mean bolus. They churn the mainly bolus, which is then converted into chyme, which is a semi-liquid substance. D is your right option. All the above options are correct. So it makes the D your right answer. Next question is on your screens. Upper, middle, and lower parts of stomach are, see, the cardia, fundus, and pylorus. C is your right option. Next question is on your screens. Gastric gland do not contain. See, gastric gland contain mucous neck cells, chief cells, and parietal cells, enterochromaffin cells. Along with this, they also contain enteroendocrine cells. Enteroendocrine cells are like G cells, D cells. Okay, so gastric cells contain all the cells. Chief cells are also known as zymosomal or peptic cells. So there is none of the above cells which are not found in the gastric glands is your right option. Then next question is on your screens. Actually, I'm sorry, the question was played again. This is your right question now. Enterochromaffin cells secrete both C and B like acetylnatriuretic peptide and serotonin. D is your right option. Next question is on your screens. Particles occur when when first part of small intestine is inserted with HCl or either with or with pepsin. Even if you are using aspirin for the long term, then what is aspirin? You know aspirin. It's a non-steroidal and anti-inflammatory drug, also abbreviated as NSAID. And along with this, ibuprofen is also your NSAID, like a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. So long-term use of these drugs can cause peptic ulcer. Along with this, if you are infected with Helicobacter pylori, it will also cause you peptic ulcer. So all of the options are right. E is your right option. Next question is on your screen. Very easy question, I think. Hydrochloric acid secreted by parietal cells, also known as extrinsic cells. So both A and B are the right options, but correct answer is C. Next question is on your screen. What is the importance of intestinal phase? It helps to shut off gastric juice is the right answer. A is your right answer. Next and very easy question is on your screens now. This question has been repeated, okay? This is a repeated question. I have already asked this question. It was your first, or I think second question. It was your second question, most probably. Gastric glands are found in the mucosa. B is your right option. Next question on your screens. This is also very easy answer question. I know you are going to answer this question. If you're not answering, then you really need to clear your uh, digestive system topic. Pyloric sphincter is present in between pylorus and duodenum, which is the I mean, duodenum is the first part of your small intestine. C is your right option. That's all for today's practice session. In the next section, you will have more and more question on this digestive system, and then we will be covering excretory system, but we will be studying the excretory system in detail, as I think that you are pretty good in digestive system. You already know many things about digestive system. That's why I thought of not to explain all the things and just to give you the practice session. But if you want to prepare for your CSIR at June 2021, you can take the subscription of an academy. Here's the detail on your screen. What is the fee for different courses for the time period you are provided with. Like for 1 month you have to pay how much, and for 24 months you will be paying about 16,800. Okay, let's see. If you want to take a 10% off, you can use the referral code Neha. This is the referral code of Neha Taneja ma'am. Go and follow her on an academy. There are also other teachers who are going to teach you along with Neha Taneja ma'am. That's all. But do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification of each and every of our videos. And if you want to join us on our different platforms, just click on the description box, check out the link and click on it, and then you will be here with us on a single click.